Guess what I have just spotted? Oh yeah, you can find mushrooms anywhere, guys. What is this little guy down here? We're gonna pluck him. Wow. It's attached at the bottom. Yellow stipe. Is this a puffball? Oh my gosh. Look at the inside. Filled with spores in there. I think this may be a kind of puffball mushroom where once it gets ripe enough, these things just explode and let off all these spores. Interesting. There may be another one down here. Yeah. Look, that's a big one. As you can see, it just starts. Wow, that is just icky in there. It's like a black slime inside of it. Wow. I have to look up what kind of mushroom this is. Very interesting. These are another mushroom I found. Definitely looks like some puffballs, but they got that yucky inside, so I don't think this is the edible kind. Puffballs in America are all white on the inside until they go bad. Once you break them open and they got color in them, they're bad. But if they're all white, you can eat them. These just look not edible, but definitely a kind of puffball.